Hello, my loves. How are you? I'm running around trying to get ready for New York, and Sonia Massey has been playing in my head for the past 2 days. I think I've watched the video like 10 times. I filmed it yesterday, and my emotions were so raw that, and the tears and everything, I had to just delete it. Not everything gets to go up on air. Half of them are trashed. I just keep on thinking, why? 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 What kind of world do we live in? My darling FUMINATION, how are you? How are we? My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed. Today is the jeans on jeans. There you go. It's a jeans on jeans, which I cannot do every once in a while when I don't have anything else to wear. So I said, you know what? Why not? I have become a techie. I have to. I'm an influencer. Plus, I'm married to one. But before I continue, guess what, my darlings? We are having a meet and greet in Brooklyn, New York City, and I am going to be there this weekend. I cannot wait. I am so excited. We are hitting capacity, my darlings. The tickets are below. The tickets are what they are below. We have general admission, we have VIP, we have breakfast with Fumi, which has hit capacity. One more ticket sold and that is it. But I've opened up a time slot for brunch. So girls, you're gonna have fun with moi. And then we have what? Lunch with Fumi. Then we have what? Dinner with Fumi. Darling, it's a whole entire shebang and experience. We also have all kinds of goodies for you in your goodie bags. You're going to live, you're going to love it, and every single one of you gets a goodie bag. Yes. Should I tell you that or should I not tell you that? I don't know. Our catering, copacetic. The catering, my darlings, is phenomenal. And yes, mama's going to be eating out in there in the streets. Darlings, you're going to have so much fun. There's going to be music, there's going to be dancing, there's going to be kiki, there's going to be Q&A. Everybody dress up. You keep on asking me. Yes, my darlings, get dressed. I want to see everybody make an effort out here in the streets. So why are we here, my darlings? I will tell you. Like I said, I'm becoming a techie. I have an iPhone and I use my phone and my computer to go live, and I'm going to be going live every single day while I'm out there for 10 days in New York. So the other day I was with my girlfriend Karine, and she's also my publicist, and we went live and it was vertical. Yes, which is very good when you're doing shorts and everything, my baby Adrian. But I tried to go live horizontally, all landscape, and it has been impossible. And I checked on so many videos, so many tutorials, I couldn't find anything. Yesterday, or was it day before yesterday, Ula said, Fumi, this is what you do. And I said, you know what, I have to share this with my fellow influencers, techies that are out there, or maybe I'm late to the game. First and foremost, update your phone. Update your phone, and then make sure that this little switch button here is off so that you are able to rotate the phone, and whatever you are reading or you're watching can also be in landscape mode. When you go into our beautiful YouTube, you have the live, and I'm going to screenshot and put all of this for you. Initially, when you are going live, and I'm going to make this private because I don't want you guys to go on right away and say, for me, we can see you. You have advanced settings, allow chat, allow reaction, so on and so forth. But for you to go landscape, I would always try to turn it around, or it would tell me, Fumi, turn it this way, that way, or whatever, and I couldn't for the life of me. Well, I think that our phones have been updated. You know why? I'll tell you why. Because now, now you can touch the button. You will see a circular motion, and that circular motion means that you can either flip the phone towards the camera or you can flip the phone towards yourself. Then you also have the mic, whether you want to mute the mic or you don't want to mute the mic. And then just below it, right there, you have stream horizontally. And that is when you are able to go live with your phone. I have also downloaded Prism, and that is a streaming app, and it is fantastic with my computer. So I wanted to let you guys know that things have picked up, not only for you but for me, and we are going to enjoy, you are going to enjoy all of my lives landscape mode. Next, there we go. You are going to enjoy this going landscape mode. There you go. Just look. Is this not fabulous? I wanted to share this with you guys. I wanted you to know, for those of you that are saying, I can't get my phone to go horizontally landscape. Yes, you can. If you update your phone and you touch that switch, you can absolutely go landscape. And that was it. This is what I wanted to share with you guys. So do not forget to like, to subscribe, to hit the notification, and I will see you guys in Brooklyn, New York City. All of my love. I am so excited. So excited. Mwah. Ciao. Bye-bye.